Okay. We are doing verbal reasoning. For verbal reasoning, we'll have to see two things today. Reasoning and coming to an analogy. First, let's understand what is reasoning. Reasoning is the action of thinking. Thinking logically and coming to a logical conclusion is reasoning. Analogy is making a parallel conclusion from the reasoning. Is a parallel conclusion. Analogy is parallel conclusion. Okay. Now let's take some examples. Mumbai, Maharashtra. Ahmedabad will be, so here you will see city and state is given. So Ahmedabad being the city, the state will be Gujarat. So the option is B. What we have done, we have drawn an analogy. Let's go to the next one. Doctor, nurse, follower. Now see here, a doctor needs a nurse, okay? A follower will need a leader, okay? So here you can say that the nurse does the work based on the instruction of the doctor. The follower does what the leader says. Okay, let's go to the next one. Moon, satellite, Earth is what? Planet. This is easy. For clock it is for clock it is time. So thermometer will be what? This is easy. Clock measures time, thermometer measures heat. Correct? See, let's see if that is in the option. Alright. Sorry, thermometer measures temperature, my bad. Okay. Next one. Okay, sound, muffled. Muffled is unclear. Okay, like right now I think some of you all were saying. Sound, muffled. So what will the next one be? Moisture, humid? No. Color, faded, could be. Despair, anger, odor, pungent. So here, if this is unclear, okay, or not proper, same thing we will have to use an analogy for the same thing over here. So I can say it is color, faded. Okay, same sound being muffled, you can't, so your color will be faded. Let's go to the next one. Knowledge, ignorance. I can say these are opposites. Okay. Cure, health, no. Conceal, hide, these both are synonyms. Breath, suffocation. ये हो सकता है ना, breathe का opposite is suffocation. Okay, construction and what was this? War. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Hope you all are understanding analogy, how we are making an analogy from what is given. Okay, now here we are not doing an analogy, we are going in a logical order. The next one. So see the words that are given to us. Elbow, wrist, shoulder, palm and finger. So can I say I can start with finger because that is the first one. Okay, then the palm comes, finger, palm, wrist. Wrist is 2, then elbow and then last में shoulder. Okay, there is shoulder 3. So 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. I think it should be B. Okay, logically makes sense. So we are going in logical order now. चलो नेक्स्ट वाला देखते हैं. Okay. The mobile manufacturing companies, now this is not logical order, this is basically cause and effect. So हम यहाँ देखेंगे, 2 sentences are given to you. We have to first find out cause and effect. What is the cause and what was the effect of what has happened? The mobile manufacturing companies have increased the prices of smartphones. The government has recently increased the duty on the smartphones. So can I say because the government has increased the duty on the smartphones, the mobile manufacturing companies have then increased the price of the smartphone. करेक्ट. तो पहले क्या हुआ, what was first? First was increase of the duty in the smartphones, and because of the increase, what was the effect? The effect was mobile manufacturing companies have increased the price. So can I say this was the cause which resulted into the increase? So statement 1 is the effect and statement 2 is the cause. Question number 8 देखो, cause and effect. Effect कब होगा? That will be, so cause will always be the first thing that happens. Effect will always follow from the cause. Will be a result or it will follow from the cause. Okay. चलो नेक्स्ट वाला देखते हैं. Okay, I don't know if you all will get this. This is too much of general knowledge. Okay. So, bald eagle, America. Wolf, we have to find out. Now, bald eagle is the national bird of America. So, you all will have to know this or probably learn it for now. In Italy, it is the wolf. Bald eagle is the national bird of America. Wolf is the national animal of Italy. So, you will have to know this. There is no other way. This we are talking about national animal. Okay, please change this in your books. This is a spelling mistake. It is ability. Appointment because of ability. Transfer, punishment, business, money, promotion, merit, examination, success. So can I say an appointment happens because of ability? And transfer happens or punishment? No. Business happens because of money? No. Promotion happens because of merit. This makes sense? Appointment होता है तुम्हारी ability की वजह से, promotion होता है merit की वजह से. Okay, let's go to the next one. Pulp paper, that is raw material. So rope, hemp, no. Rayon, cellulose, thread, needle. We are talking about raw material. Yarn, fabric. So this is the raw material. Liquor is a drink. So bread is butter, no. Tea is a beverage. Snuff, inhale, water, sip. So liquor is a drink. Similarly, tea is a beverage. This is easy. Alright, let's see this number series जो हम कल कर रहे थे. Which number would replace the question mark? Okay, one thing is there, I can see the numbers are in ascending order. Okay, 7, 12, 19. Okay, and then there is question mark and then 39. If I see in ascending order, याद है हमने कल क्या किया था? We said if it is in ascending order, that means कुछ addition हुआ होगा. चलो, let's see. 7 plus 5 gave me 12. Okay. Then 12 plus something gave me 19. Okay, it's not the same number. So it is 7. So they are not adding the same number, but can I say they are adding the next, मतलब odd number. एक छोड़ के एक add कर रहे हैं. So what is the next one? 19 plus 9. According to me, they are taking the number after that. Will give me 28. Let's see, 28 plus 11. Because I have to check it, na? So 10 नहीं लेंगे, 11 लेंगे. Does it give me 39? I think it does. Okay, are you getting it? Alright, let's go to the next one. Okay, what is the next term in BDF, CFI, DHL? Wow. Some random alphabets they have given you, don't get scared. Okay. How will we do this? We have to see there are 3 alphabets in each group. Okay. So B के बाद क्या आता है? C. So what they have done, the first alphabet is immediately the next in the sequence. B, C, D. ऑल राइट, लेट्स सी डी के बाद क्या आता है, डी ई, बट इट्स नॉट ई. व्हाट दे हैव डन, they have put F instead, so they are skipping one over here, F. Then G should come, but no, they are skipping one, so it will be I. Sorry, A B C D E F G H, so they have skipped one and gone here. देखो, here they are taking the immediately next one. The first in the sequence is the next alphabet. After that they skip one. Okay. D के बाद E आता है but उन्होंने F लिखा है. F के बाद G आता है, उन्होंने H लिखा है. Okay. Now let's see F. F के बाद G आता है but they have not written G. H आता है, वो भी नहीं लिखा है. So they have written I. That means they are skipping 2 now. Skip 2 alphabets. Then only they'll get I, J, they are going to skip, K they are going to skip. They'll write L over here. Okay, makes sense. Now we have to do the same exercise for the next one. So हमने क्या बोला, next alphabet. D के बाद क्या है, E. Now skip 1. H के बाद I आता है, I नहीं लेंगे, J लेंगे. L के बाद M और N, both we will skip, we will write O. Understood? Okay. So don't worry, इतना difficult नहीं है. Okay. Now the letter series. Now see here what they are saying. They have given us some alphabets, A, B, 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 B. Okay, we have to find a sequence in that. Now see here, A, B. Now there is one thing is clear, there are only 2 alphabets. A हो सकता है या B. Now if A is written twice, my guess would be that यहाँ B आना चाहिए, क्योंकि B भी twice आ जाएगा, है ना. Now next वाला देखते हैं, triple A is there. Okay, so could be they want 4 A's, हो सकता है, or they want 3 B's. So यहाँ my guess could be A भी हो सकता है, B भी हो सकता है. Okay, the next alphabet. So there will be 4 A's, then 2 B's, and then A again. Okay. So it could be B, A, or B, A. Let's see what's there in my options. Now see here, I have an option B, A. That is what is the option. ये तो clear है, A, ये B आना चाहिए. So obviously your options can be B and C. Elimination करेंगे. Okay, क्योंकि first alphabet 2 A है तो 2 B आने चाहिए. Now next वाला, it could be 3 A's and 3 B's. So it would be BBA, but I don't see it in the option. So let this be. I know if they have 2 BB's, they can be 2 AA's. तो last वाला भी A आना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. So then it gives me BAA. Okay. Now sometimes what happens, it might not be in your option, this entire sequence, because you cannot exactly know what the other person is looking for. So in that case, what we can do, see, in that case what we can do is, जो हमको for sure पता है, first और last मुझे पता है, I know this and this. So what I will do, I will keep the middle one blank and see which option is coming closest. Okay, this is the elimination way to get your correct answer. Okay, now let's go to number coding. This is easy, we have done it yesterday, or I think the lecture before that. If in a certain language A is 1, B is 2, so how is BIDDIC coded in numbers? So B is 2, I क्या होगा? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 होगा. 4, A, B, C, D, D is 4. 9 3. This is very easy. Okay, now this is fun. Let's see if you all can get this. Okay, now we have to find mutual blood relations of 2 or more persons. Okay, let's see. A and B are brothers, C and D are sisters. A's son is D's brother. How is B and C related? Oh my god. Okay, looks very difficult. Let's draw the tree. A and B, they are brothers. ये दोनों भाई है. Okay, C and D are sisters. अब इन दोनों का रिलेशन हमको नहीं पता. 2 भाई है, 2 बहन है. ओके, A son is D's brother. वो A son, I will put here son. Okay, is D's brother. मतलब अगर ये दोनों भाई बहन हैं तो C का भी भाई हो जाएगा ना. So they, can I say they all are siblings? He is the son, that means he is a boy. ये उसका भाई होगा. Between the 2 sisters, this is the brother. So all are siblings. Okay, now they want to know what is the relationship, how is B related to C. ये दोनों कैसे related है. Now obviously अगर ये सब भाई बहन हैं, okay, और ये इसका father है, this is the son ना, so this is the father. तो ये इसका भी फादर हुआ, इसका भी फादर हुआ. ओके, तो A has 3 children from S, C and D. They want to know, and A has 1 brother. So your father's brother, हम लोग तो चाचा बोलते हैं, चाचा. ओके, काका, चाचा, whatever. Father's brother, तुम्हारे फादर का ब्रदर, वो क्या होगा? In English we just have one thing, uncle. Okay, चाचा, काका, पापा नहीं है. Simple, uncle. Make sense? Okay, let's see. The answer is D, uncle. Now let's take it a level up. Series of alphabets. Okay, they'll give you some numbers and alphabets. You have to find out the correct alphabet in the series. Let's read the question. Which of the following option is 5th to the left of the 11th letter from the left in a forward series of alphabet? Okay, I'll read it once again. Which of the following option is 5th to the left of the 11th letter from the left in a forward series of alphabet? Now, when I read this only I get confused. But never get confused. Let's break it down. क्या बोला है? Which is the 5th to the left? So 5th from the left of the 11th letter from the left. Okay, in a forward series of the alphabet. तो पहले तो मुझे, let me just write all the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Okay, this is left, this is right. They are asking us which is the 5th to the left of the 11th letter. तो first हमको 11th letter पे जाना है. 11th letter from the left. So this is my left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think I have come to K. Okay, this is the 11th letter from the left. What are they telling us? Which of the option is 5th to the 11th letter from the left? So we have to go 5th from the left. तो ये 11th letter का 5th letter कौन सा है? From the left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is the 5th letter. Okay. First you figure out the 11th letter. Then what are they telling you? Which is the 5th from the left of the 11th letter. 11th is K. K का 5th from the left कौन सा है? ये उसका left hand side है. This side is the left hand side. From here, I will take the 5th one. That is G according to me. Let's see if you are right. What is the answer? Come on, come on, come on. Or is it different? G is correct. Okay. We will do more of this. Don't worry. Problems related to the letter gap. Okay. In the word chairs, how many pairs of the letter have the same number of letters between them in the word as in alphabet? Don't get confused. Okay. In the word chair, how many letters have the same number of letters between them? मतलब we have to see the letters as in the alphabet. Alphabet means A to Z अभी हमने लिखा ना, that is your alphabet. They are saying how many pairs of letters have the same number of letters as is actually there in the alphabet. So let's see this. CH, they are not there in the alphabet. Alphabet मतलब A to Z में नहीं है. CHA, ये दोनों है. C and A, they are there in the alphabet and they are pretty close to each other. और दोनों के बीच में the gap is B. A, B, C ऐसा होता है. So between C and A, they are not asking you the order. They are just saying what is the gap. The gap is of one alphabet. One alphabet का gap है. यहाँ भी C और A के बीच में एक alphabet का gap है. वापस चलते हैं आगे. A, I, no, nothing. A, R, nothing. There are many alphabets between them. I, R, nothing. R, S, that is actually there between the alphabets. There is no gap between R and S in the actual alphabets. है ना? There is no gap between R and S. So, R and S is also there and there is no gap. It could be S and R also. We are just seeing the gap. तो दोनों के बीच में there is no gap. A और C के बीच में एक alphabet का gap है. यहाँ भी एक alphabet का gap ही है. Okay, so can I say between A and C? So how many letters? 4 letters. How many pairs? 2 pairs. A and C and R and S. Okay, they are asking you how many pairs. So I will say 2. Okay. Okay. In the name of a game which is formed by rearranging the letters of the word this. So can you form the name of a game from your first? I think I can find badminton. Okay. Then what will be the first and the last letter of the name? Wow, this is easy. Badminton is B and N. Correct, na? Yeah. So the option is 3. Okay. Arrange the question based on the initial letter of the word given in the alphabetical order. Initial letter मतलब first letter के हिसाब से alphabetical order में डालो. So क्या आएगा? C will be first. Came. Then F. है ना? Then N. And last में S. 4, 1, 3, 2. Alphabetical order में डालना था. Easy. Okay. How many meaningful words can be formed using the first, 4th, 7th and 8th? Using these words, these 3 alphabets, how many meaningful words can you make? I can only think of one. Slew. Okay. Slew means to overtake. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the next one. How many letters are there in between the 7th letter from the left and 8th letter from the right in the English alphabet? What? Aram se. How many letters are there in between the 7th letter from left and 8th from right in the English alphabet? Okay, for that, my friend, we will have to write A to Z again. Oh, I already have it, but then anyway, I want to write it again. I don't like this color. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, P, Q. Okay, we have to take what? 7th letter from the left and 8th letter from the right. 7th letter from the left. So if this is my left, this is my right. 7th letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my 7th letter from the left. And 8th letter from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct ना? बात check करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. How many letters are there in the middle? Please count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I can see 11. Please count and see what is your answer. Okay, between these, I can see 11. For me, this is the answer. Okay, let's go to the next one. Which is the 11th letter to the left of the 4th letter from the right when you write the English alphabets in the backward order? Okay. When you read it, obviously it is confusing. When you write it, it is not confusing. We have to write it. Okay. Now, first thing, what are they saying? What is the 11th letter to the left of the 4th letter from the right? When you write the English alphabets in the backward order. So, step 1 is write all the English alphabets in the backward order. Thank God I have it all written here. So, it is easy for me to copy. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q. I hope I'm writing right. If I'm getting wrong, please stop me. I don't know my alphabets backwards. Just check it एक बार. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wonderful. Okay, so this becomes my left. And this, my friend, is the right. This is the right and this is the left. Okay, now let's see what they are saying. What is the 11th letter to the left of the 4th letter from the right? So next step is find the 4th letter from the right and uske baad the 11th letter to the left of the 4th letter. So whatever is the 4th letter, pehle wo to dhondo. 4th letter from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my 4th letter from the right. And 11th letter to the left of the 4th letter. Okay, that's what they are saying. 11th letter to the left of the 4th letter. Left of the 4th letter is nothing but D. Okay. D के 11th letter कौन सा है? D से 11th letter. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yo, that is the 11th letter from the left. Okay. समझ में आ रहा है? मेरा आंसर तो वो है. इनका आंसर भी वो है. Okay. So don't get scared. When they give you something, write it down. It is easy. Yes, yes, of course. You have to do rough work. You can carry calculator. You can do everything. You will need a book and pen with you. Okay, now see this, some code words are given. Stupid this is, you don't have to get scared. Now see what they will ask you. Which element is nth nahi karo. Let's say if it is third. Which element is third from the left of the sequence? So this is my left, this is my right. Which is the third element? Nth is, it could be any number. That's what they're trying to say. So if I say third, you will say E. Correct na? From the left. Which is the, let's say agar ye fourth hota. Okay, ye third hota. Which is the fourth from the right of the sequence? 8, D, A, 6. You will say 6. Easy. This is how you will read this alphanumerical sequence if they ask you questions for that. Okay, that's it. We have finished all the questions. Ye sab jaane do, don't read all this. This is okay. We will do this tomorrow, sample questions. For this, just let me give you a basis. You all need to understand what is consonants and what are vowels. So to first understand consonants, let's go to vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Everything else is consonants. So over here in my ABCD, okay, जो हमने उल्टा भी लिखा है, सीधा भी लिखा है, okay, which are my vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Everything else which is not circled is consonants. Okay. So then they will ask you in this big thing, how many consonants are there, how many consonants have numbers before it, etc. So for that you need to first understand what is consonants, which you know now. Okay, ये कल करेंगे. Okay, understood? चलो. If you all have any questions, please ask me. Any questions? Please ask me, let me know. Or you all can even write in the chat box, I can answer it to you all. Okay, thanks guys.